Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So your girl is here in the 11th hour at the last minute to tell y'all about some of the great deals that I found on Amazon Prime Day. Y'all, these are some of the items that I have actually decorated my house with that I have got many questions on. They are on sale. I know it is the last day of Amazon Prime deals, but you can still get in there and get your orders in. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Y'all, I have my book of items that I found that are great deals right now on sale for Prime Day, but they are in no particular order, okay? So I'm just gonna pop them up on the screen here, and then you can go in the description box to shop, all right? So first we're gonna start with the little green machine by Bissell. I own this machine. I love this machine for spot cleaning. You don't have to pull out a whole big contraption to do carpet cleaning. This is great for spots. Great if you have pets. I clean my furniture with this machine, so I highly recommend. It is on sale right now for Prime Day at $81.99. Next up, we have the Instapot. I'm sure everyone has heard of the Instapot by now. This is a tool in my kitchen that I cannot live without, especially with the family. I need to be able, especially on busy days, I need to be able to put meals in this pot and set it and forget it. And it is great for that. So you're not standing in the kitchen all day preparing meals. My number one meal to make in my Instapot is the Mississippi pot roast. Y'all go look it up. Maybe I'll put a link in the description, but it is so good, so easy. This is a hit every single time. But the Instapot is currently on sale now for Prime Day at $74.99. $74.99. Grab your Instapot if you do not have one already. It is great, especially for holidays. You need the Instapot. When your stove is going, doing everything else, you need your Instapot on the side, cooking your roast or your beans or even your collard greens, y'all. I even seen people make macaroni and cheese in the Instapot, but I don't stand by that, but check out Instapot. So y'all, next is one of my favorite home decor pieces. I have gotten so many messages about this piece. This video did very well for me over on Instagram and on YouTube Shorts as well. But y'all, it is my faux olive trees. I love this tree so much that I have purchased 3. I have 3 of these in my home, my living room, my dining room, and my bedroom. I absolutely love them. They look natural. They just look very clean. They're super simple to assemble and they just look really good. You just got to find you a really nice pot to add with it. The 8-foot faux olive trees are currently on sale right now for Prime Day at $127.99. I have seen these get up to over $200. So $127 is a good deal. Again, y'all, I have purchased 3. I got 3 of them. Y'all seen them. Get your tree. So next we have my Vanity Mirror. Y'all, I don't think I did a video on this, a full video on YouTube. I think I did a YouTube short, but I have recently updated my dressing room and I put in a new desk and vanity in there, and I found the most perfect vanity mirror. So nice. It changes different tones. It goes from bright white to like a 2-tone light to a amber light, but this just looks so good in my dressing room. I purchased this one a couple of months ago. Absolutely love it. It is on sale right now for $58.99. All right, so I found a set of decorative faux linen books on sale. If you all have seen my office, I purchased some faux linen books from Amazon before, and they just look really good. They're just white, nothing super fancy about them, but sometimes you need this as decor fillers. These are great for decor fillers around your home. So when you're decorating shelves, if you're decorating a coffee table, I have them set up on my shelf in my office and they look really good. So anytime you can grab up any item like this and just keep it, like I said, as a decor filler in your home is always a good purchase. These are currently on sale right now for $28.49. All right, moving right along, y'all. We knocking them out. So next, another decorative item is, y'all, my decorative boxes. I got so many questions about these decorative boxes. So many of you love these boxes that I have in my office. Found the same boxes are currently on sale right now for Amazon Prime Day. The decorative boxes are $54.59. At the time I purchased these boxes, I want to say that I spent about $70 to $75 for those boxes. So they are also another great look. They are another great decor filler or just box in your home. You can put remotes in them anytime you're trying to organize things and you need places to hide things. These boxes are great for that, or they're just great to sit on their own like they're sitting on my shelf as just decor. All right, so back to my dressing room. I found the velvet hangers that I purchased. I have purchased these several times, many packs. The The velvet hangers are currently on sale right now. I'm sorry, I did not get the price on the velvet hanger, but I will definitely have them linked below. But the velvet hangers, all colors, the black ones, the gray ones, they are on sale for Amazon Prime Day. So if you need those velvet hangers, now is the time. I feel like the velvet hangers just really made my dressing room look really nice and coordinated and neat. I love the velvet hangers because they don't leave the dents and the wrinkles in your clothes whenever your shirts and everything are hanging up too long. So I would definitely suggest these, and they stop like your strappy pieces from falling off because the velvet is like, it's not an adhesive, but it doesn't move. It doesn't slide off the velvet as easy. So check out the velvet hangers. Another item that I have purchased multiple times from Amazon are my curtains. I have my 96-inch curtains and also my 108-inch curtains. Almost all of the curtains in my home are purchased from Amazon, maybe except for like one that I purchased from IKEA. But once I found that Amazon was selling the super long ones, the 9-foot and 10-foot curtains, that is where I go. So the ones that I just purchased for my bedroom, which are the 96-inch curtains, they are currently on sale right now for $33. $33. Nice curtains if you're looking for like a faux linen type of curtain. And they also have the blackout ones as well. They are currently on sale for $33. Another item that everyone loved when I showed them over on Instagram and YouTube Shorts is my shoe organizer. Y'all, I have always needed something for my sandals. I have my shoe shelves for like my heels and my tennis shoes, but y'all know sandals are small and sometimes they just start to pile up. So I found a shoe box. I believe it fits 16 pair of shoes, and it just made everything look so much more organized. I keep all of my sandals and flats in this box. That box is currently on sale right now for $27.99. That is a great deal for that box. I actually need to get another one while we're talking about it because I have acquired more sandals. And if you are looking to organize your closet or your dressing room like I have, I also found that the purse stands are on sale. That is something that I actually just purchased myself last night. I will tell you that my next video coming up is going to be a little mini makeover of my dressing room. I'm going to be changing some things in there and I'm going to take you guys along. But buying those purse stands is part of the makeover. Again, it just allows you to display your things nicely, to have it look a little bit more organized and give you that boutique store feel. I really like that a lot. So they do have a 3-pack of the purse stands that are currently on sale for $22.39. So I have a couple of honorable mentions. So if you guys are in the market for a new vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaners are widely on sale right now for Amazon Prime Day. The Shark, the corded and cordless vac. Also, if you are interested in a robot vac, all of those are currently on sale right now. And also the Ring doorbell system. Of course, everybody has a Ring now, but you maybe need a little upgraded model because we're about to upgrade ours. But the Ring doorbell is also on sale as well for Prime Day. So y'all, I didn't want to take too long with this video. I wanted to hurry up and get it out there so y'all can go get to shopping. Just check the description box below for all of the links. Happy Prime Day shopping, y'all. And I promise on the next one, I will not wait till the last minute. All right. I'll see y'all.